Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Cpa Tea. Okay. Why Big Four, why public, and why not corporate? So I did interview with like mid and smaller firms and whatnot, as well as corporate firms. And when it came down to it, one of the things that I wanted to do is wanted to make sure that I get as much experience as I can in a short period of time, right? And I just felt that you can do it in smaller firms that are not Big Four. For example, you can be testing like all different types of accounts just because they're smaller, whereas like if you're in the Big Four and you're on a huge client, maybe the only thing you're gonna see is like revenue or like cash, etc. So that was one of my fears, though thus far I have not had that. Like I've been able to work on a whole bunch of different accounts and whatnot, but I was also trying to think long term. If I were to want to stay, the partner route, and I just felt like I would want to do so in a Big Four public accounting route, a Big Four public accounting firm. If I were to leave and to go into industries, I kind of also, as I was, getting recruited and looking at different, I'll maybe do another episode on how I actually landed on my firm. It was through hardcore networking. Like networking, they say networking is important, but networking is important. Anyways, I was going through and looking at different firms and whatnot. One of the questions that I mainly try to ask myself as well is, who are their clients? Like, who would I be working on if I was in this specific region or this specific location, etc. Who are these, or what industries are these firms like? Really, do they have a footprint on, and are they expert in? So those are some of the things that I was considering as I was making the decision for myself. And I do think that busy season, I heard like horror stories about Big Four public accounting busy season, and for some reason like I was thirsty and hungry for it. I'm like, I need to go through that and experience it and learn and just be a sponge and soak in it. And that's ultimately also one of the reasons why I did choose to go into Big Four. So why did I choose Big Four outside of corporate? I felt like eventually if I wanted to go into industry, I can easily go ahead. I mean, you could also go from industry and go into Big Four, or to go into public accounting, but I just felt like I wanted to take advantage of these first few years and just really like learn rigorously. In a short period of time, I feel like you have so many different experiences because you're not just working under one company, which you would do if you're in industry. You're working and you have different clients, right? And even if you have one main client, you have the opportunity, or you can have the opportunity to work on other types of clients. And so you're coming in with an outside perspective and learning about their business, learning how they make money, learning about their operations and certain things. And so you get a very diverse type of experience, which is something that I wanted to kind of get under my belt, or definitely wanted to get under my belt, rather than just going directly into one particular company. Which in one particular company, if I would have gone corporate, I would have done some type of like financial rotational program or something like that, which would allow me to experience different aspects of the company as well in a rotation program. So I'm big on, and one thing that that at least I would say for myself, what helped me with my decision is being big on diversifying my experience to kind of really learn what I like, what I don't like, and just expand my knowledge overall. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and let me know any other types of things that you guys would want to watch. Bye!